Hello, my name is Nora Johnson, and we're going to do a quick tour of the garden. So let's get in here. So we got some of these that I think they're called cauliflower and pineapple sage. So these are all vegetables, but these are flowers. And we have our pansies. So we have the squash that's looking very nice. Then we have this basil, 3 basils. And then we have these tiny little peas and corn coming up. These are the peas. So these are the tomatoes. We have flowers on them, the little tiny yellow ones. Then they'll turn into tomatoes. We got some more tomato, and more. Show you how to garden. So these look like they're ready. Just pick them nice and gentle by the stick. This is where you hold them. This one looks like a monster. Just don't, if they're split, they're still good. And then I think we have this one. It's a monster too. And then there we go. That's a lot. Then you're just gonna make a little line. I'll show you what they look like. Then you're just gonna pick one and then put it in. Just gonna put them in, whether you feel like it. And then I'll just cover them back up, give them some water, and then that's it. We have our watering can, and we're gonna water our seeds. And thank you for visiting my garden.